Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 5 real ways to earn money playing games online. So make sure to watch the full video. Have you considered monetizing your gaming habit with all the ways you can get paid? It's one of the newest ways to make money online. And unlike other side hustles and side jobs, it can be tons of fun. Play video games, get paid. Play video games, post them on social media, get paid. Pretty awesome, right? Despite what your 8th grade English teacher might have told you, you can earn extra cash playing video games. Many people turn their love of Grand Theft Auto, Pokémon, and mobile games into part-time or even full-time income, again, all by just being able to play video games. If you're already gaming, why not take it to the next level, monetize your fun, and help pad your bank account? Here are several ways you can earn and game at the same time. How to make money playing video games. In recent years, there are far more opportunities for monetizing your video game hobby than you might imagine. We have pulled together the top 5 ways to work toward making money playing your favorite video games. 1. Get paid directly to play. Try Misplay. Misplay is an excellent app available on Android that is a great way to monetize playing video games on your phone. The app's main focus is on providing users an environment to participate in games in exchange for prizes. Users can join in in-app games to receive gift cards to various retailers such as Amazon, Google Play, and even virtual Visa gift cards through the earning of points. With Misplay, you are eligible to receive compensation from the minute you start playing. You can even play with friends and level up your avatar to unlock achievements and earn units faster. They also support user communications and offer a chat feature, encouraging connections amongst participants. Another important note is that users will not pay any fees to download, join, or play games in Misplay. There are several other options for apps to monetize gameplay, but Misplay is definitely at the top of our list. 2. Video game coaching. One of the coolest ways to make money playing video games is by offering to coach your favorite competitive game, such as League of Legends. Video game coaches make anywhere from $20 to $200 per hour, depending on how good they are and how in demand their services are. For example, Metaphor, a League of Legends coach mentioned in the YouTube section, offers coaching services for $50 to $80 per hour. Getting started as a coach typically means gaining an audience through a platform like YouTube and offering your services to your audience. 3. Game tester. The most basic difference between a quality assurance tester and a game tester or beta tester is that QA deals with a product that has already met a certain level of quality as desired by the developers. Being a tester involves trying to break a game or find out ways to mess it up or analyze why it may or may not be fun for users. 4. Become a professional gamer. Pro gamers compete worldwide and win millions at events sponsored by the Major League Gaming Circuit, the International Dota 2 Championship, and Intel Extreme Masters. MLG has built arenas across the country to host and stream live professional gaming events. It even has scouts and communities on the internet to find the best untapped players. The best advice for getting involved is to pick a game you consider yourself already good at playing and become an expert at it. From there, work on building your reputation as both a skilled player and a team player. Then it is time to participate in esports games. 5. Start a YouTube channel. We've mentioned YouTubers a lot over the past few months, and it's because the financial gain in the YouTuberverse is full of possibilities if you're looking for a way to earn money while gaming. YouTube is a great place to start. Through YouTube, you can build your channel to a level where you are monetizing your content. If you haven't already, check out our piece here that gives you the insight you need to become a successful YouTube content creator. Once you've mastered the steps required to monetize your channel, you can take your content in any direction you choose. Whether you want to live to stream your gaming, critique others' gaming, or offer tutorials on gaming tips and tricks, YouTube is an excellent platform to use to address all of these subjects. We recommend using YouTube to further your gaming research too. If you're looking for in-depth information on monetizing your gaming habits, YouTube is a wealth of knowledge for that topic as well. Whatever your approach is, starting with YouTube is the way to go. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.